Hey everybody, it's Mr. Balloon Wizard coming back at you, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Star of David in time for the holidays and more. So I was sharing this on a headband the way I make it on the last Zoom I had for the Bling Bling Jam on Monday, and I have some tidbits to share with it that if you make one already, you may like what I have to say. And you can use this as well on top of a Torah for a bar mitzvah and other events. But as the holidays are coming and you're doing events for companies and corporations and stuff, or what have you, you may want to offer this. So I use white and light blue 160s. Okay. You can use gold or what have you, but these are actually the colors of Israel's flag. Okay. So it's good to use them. So I stretch it out a little bit. Again, 160 sometimes. This might be my COVID batch. I don't know. So they might pop on me, and they can pop anyway. They're a little not as strong, if you will. But inflate your balloon, I want to say leaving, let a little air out, leaving maybe like almost a full hand's length. Let a little air out. Okay. I make a 1-inch bubble and make an ear twist. Make another 1-inch bubble and a second ear twist. Okay. I would go up probably about, let me see, my hands are small, maybe like 10 fingers. Okay, up. Make another 1-inch bubble and a pinch twist. Another 1-inch bubble and a pinch twist. Okay. And you're going to eyeball it because this bubble right here, you want to make it the same size there. So I'll bring it down, just check the sizes. Make another 1-inch bubble and an ear twist. A second 1-inch bubble and an ear twist. I like to do 2 ear twists on each of these because, again, the 160s are not as strong. And to me, it looks cleaner. Okay. And then we want to make another bubble to make sure that it's the same proportions. So it's a triangle. Okay. And then you want to rip the excess off, just like so, and then wrap the mechanics in. Okay. And keep your ear twist this way and like that. So it should look like that. Then you take your other balloon, in this case, it's the light blue, and inflate it about the same length. And let a little air out. Tie it. Do a 1-inch bubble and an ear twist. A 1-inch bubble and an ear twist. Now, this is where it gets to be a little different. You're thinking, okay, I'm going to measure this and make it the same size. No, you are not. This is where it's wrong. Okay, at least the way I look at the proportions. You want to make it a little longer because you're going to be weaving this through the other balloon, especially with a 160. It looks more realistic than a 260. I can tell you that for a fact, okay, of what a Star of David should look like. So when we're going to weave this through the white triangle, making another triangle that's weaved, okay, you should make it longer because it loses some of that length, if you will. So what I like to do is match it up here just a little bit longer, right? So like that, and then go down to the bottom here. That's about where I'm going to do it, okay? I'm going to make this a bubble. So again, if I put this side by side, as you can see, how much longer it is, okay? Then do a 1-inch bubble, an ear twist, another 1-inch bubble, an ear twist, okay? You're going to eyeball this bubble, make this bubble the same size again. So you're making a V right now with another 1-inch bubble and an ear twist, and another 1-inch bubble and an ear twist, okay? And then this is what I would do. Leave it as a V with the excess here, and then take your triangle this way, and the V part should be like this, right? This is the easiest way to explain it. You want to take the right part, go up and over, and then you want to take this part here, let me turn it this way, and go up inside Oh, here we go. Let's do that again. Okay. It's fun doing it on a video. So the goal is that the V goes through here. So up and over, take the rest of this, push this inside, push the long part through, but you see, we're going to push this up a little bit, okay? And that's why you want to make this one longer, okay? You're going to take the long part here and pull it through here, okay? Firmly, and you're going to connect it over here. So it's like a weave, but you also want to eyeball it and make sure the proportions look right. Not too long, it doesn't look right. And again, you're pushing up the bottom on the V part to get it to be straight. So you're eyeballing it with these two ear twists here to make sure it looks triangular, if that makes any sense. And again, this part here, you don't want it to be too long. So just pull it this way a little bit and then wrap it around the ear twist. Then you can straighten out a little bit more in a second. And then rip this off right here. Rip this off. And then wrap this around the ear twist here. I'll do it this way. And then I'm just looking at this, right? So right now, it's not perfect. I want to still push it up a little bit. And I want to pull this a little bit and pull this way a little bit. Okay? So it looks like the Star of David. And there you go. That is it. Then what I would do, if you put on a headband as I did, I would take a scrap of a balloon. And with the two ear twist, which also makes it sit better on the headband, obviously. You take the headband and you tie it tightly, or firmly, I should say. Not too tight, but firmly enough, right? And then a second knot, if you will. Okay, and then cut the excess off. And then make sure that the two ear twists are facing this way. So it looks like this. And you just put it on and you are ready to go. That's your Star of David. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll go this way. And you can see we have two Star of Davids. Okay. Ready for Hanukkah and the holidays and all the other holidays as well that you might want to offer it for. Really and truly, it's just a nice thing to suggest to clients who are of Jewish faith. Making a dreidel and a menorah is not always the easiest thing in a line. There is a simpler dreidel you can probably do as well. Maybe I'll make one for you guys to share if people want that. But I think this is a great, Star of David to share and have on your menu for the holiday times. I hope that's helpful. I know, like I said, I shared this in the Bling Bling Jam Zoom for everybody, and I said I would do a tutorial on it for everybody as well. Let me know what else you guys like to learn. Like I said, there's more stuff coming, but I've been trying to be consistent here with at least a tutorial each week. And love your feedback. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and over and out, and happy holidays.